So where is freedom? Freedom is an inner state of mind. There's only one place you can be free, and that's in your own inner state of mind. You can feel enslaved in situations where you have actual freedom, and feel free in states of actual enslavement, and then in states where you're actually free, be enslaved by your own thoughts. You know, you become the victim of your own thoughts. You keep saying, oh Lord, please let me forget that, or see it differently. I always ask, I would like to see it differently. And you're asking then for illumination instead of perception. Freedom versus license. You're free to be, but you're not free to do. And the fact that you're not free to do means that you're not still free. You can be as you like. All right. The lure of hedonism is irresistible in today's world, and it's exploited by the media. This is a peculiar set of generation we're in now. We're in a brainwashed generation. Brainwashed like never before. Electronic media have subjected all of us to brainwashing. Every one of us here has been brainwashed. Anybody here think they're not been brainwashed? You've been brainwashed into thinking you're not brainwashed. Everybody in this room has been brainwashed. Everyone in this room has been brainwashed. Well, the realization that you've been brainwashed gives you a certain skepticism about what you're holding in mind.